In this task, we need to troubleshoot one of our app servers not reachable on port 3004. So let's check that. Just do curl http //stapp01 on port 3004. So it says no route to host. So let's check on app server 2. That looks fine. And then app server 3. That looks fine. So if you're wondering what is curl, so curl is basically command line URL. So if you want to visit some websites, we usually use browsers, but if you want to do the same thing with the command line, so you can use curl. So it says not reachable, and then let's check that. So let's connect it to app server 1, Tony stapp01, put the password, be a sudo user. That looks fun. So let's check the status of Apache now. So systemctl status http. Okay, it says failed. So what's the reason for it? It says address already in use. So this port, it seems, already couldn't bind it because it's already been using. So if you look at that, so how are you going to check that? So you can use the command netstat. So netstat tunnelp -tunnelp. So if you look here, you can see 3004 ports. So using send mail service is using that. So if we got only few services, that's why you are able to see. So if you have a bunch of services, so you need to scroll down, so that's not visible. So in that case, we can use grep command to filter out grep 3004. So now you can see easily. So it's send mail is using that service. So basically, whenever you install something, that configuration files goes into this directory /etc, and the service here is send mail. So probably email, I think. Let's check. So let's get into that /etc. I think it's mail. Yeah, it's mail. If you do ls, you can see a bunch of these files. So something, it says cf, so probably this might be the configuration file. So let's check that. Actually, this one send mail is a configuration file cf. So let's open that file and then look for, just put slash and enter the port number 3004. Yeah, it's been, this service is using that. So let's try to assign a different port. I'll give port number 28 for instance. So let's restart the service. Systemctl status, so I would say restart, send mail. So let's check the status now. That's working. So I mean, rather than killing that service, we just assign a different port. So if I curl localhost 3004, so it says connection refused. So we already freed this port. What we can do, we can try to restart our Apache systemctl restart httpd. So basically we use httpd in CentOS. If it is Ubuntu, we use Apache command. Okay, it's been restarted. If I use localhost, it's working now. So let's try to reach from our jump server. If I do curl http stapp01 192.168.1.3004. It's a still no route, so it's not reachable. That server is app server 1 is not reachable actually. So that's what it means. So what you can do actually, if you go back to app server 1, you can, maybe there could be some firewalls. So let's run the command efw status. Okay, efw is not installed. Maybe firewall d, firewall cmd, maybe ip tables. Okay, it's been installed. If I use -l, so it gives us a list. So these are the rules being applied. So these, the priority ones on the top and the rejects ones at the end. So basically it's allowing all anywhere except ICMP port and TCP. Okay, then let's try to add this jump host source address. So let's enable it. So if someone tries to visit from jump host from this IP address, so let's enable this. Copy it. If you come back, so what you need to run the command IP tables and then -i and then input, and then I'm gonna give P, the TCP port type, and then -s, that's a source from this IP, and then -d port, that's the destination port we are trying to reach, 3004, and then -j and accept it, whether you want to accept or drop. So because I usually use IP table, that's why I do remember the syntax. If you don't know, just Google it, that's fine. So you don't need to remember anything. So that looks fine so far. Okay, let's do IP tables -l. So that's not in effect. So what we can do, I'm going to say service IP tables and save. Okay, that's been saved now. So you can, yeah, you can see that jump host source been added. So just restart it. Yeah, IP table has been restarted. If you come back here and if you try to reach it now you can see that. So because IP tables blocked us, another one is HTTP service was down, Apache service was down because of that port was already in use. So this is the way you can troubleshoot. So let's click on check. So the main purpose of this task is that how we troubleshoot issues if you get these kind of problems while working. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.